Hey everybody, how's it going? Applebottemgs here. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. And today guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Sudotack microphone. So a little backstory. You guys know for my whole channel, I usually don't use a microphone. But since I'm making my new channel, my second channel, applebottemgs 2.0, I'm going to be doing a lot of gaming and a lot of I guess commentary work. So I wanted to go ahead and buy myself a cheap little microphone. So I just went on Amazon, and this microphone was about $40 and it had about 4.5 stars. So I just thought for the price and for the ratings that are out there, this should be pretty good. Alright, so here we have it. This is the top of the box. As you can see, it's a Sudotack. It's desktop USB podcasting microphone, and it just goes ahead and says some different places that you can use it. It's a condenser type for podcasts, for YouTube, and stuff like that. And then on this side of the box, it just tells you more in depth about different things. Full metal case, USB 2.0 plug and play, you know, little things like that. Compatible with Windows and Mac. And you know, all that other stuff. And alright, so once you open the box, the first thing you see is the Sudotack user manual. You want to go ahead and read this so you can get all the potential out of this microphone and be using all of the different you know, stuff that it comes with. So we can read that later. And you have the actual machine right here. So in these spots, we'll go ahead and lay these out. The microphone, and underneath the phone, some different Alright, so here's all the different pieces. Forgive me if I don't know the actual names. I'm very new to this stuff. So I'm just going to call it as I see it. This is the microphone or condenser, the part that you speak in. Here it is, and it has like, it screws into this, okay? Or the cord, this is the cord for it, as it says 2.0 USB, so that's good. And then the other side that connects. This is the standing part of it. This looks like it ties everything together, and it's also the little the thing that you can switch and adjust. And this is the bottom, which is the heaviest. So I'm gonna go ahead and construct this, and I'll let you guys see how it looks. Alright, so we're back. So I just went ahead and assembled this, and it was actually pretty quick. It took me less than 5 minutes, and I didn't even need to read the user's manual. But if you want to, it shows you step by step of how to put everything on, as you can see here. So it's very informative and easy to read, and everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. And pretty much everything is adjustable. You can adjust the height here, and you can adjust how much this kind of sticks out here. But for me, I'm just going to keep it just like this, because it's going to be sitting on my desk upright like that. And then of course you get the cord, and yeah, everything else is pretty much set up. I'm gonna go ahead and play a little audio clip at the end of this video so you guys can hear the difference between me talking on my Samsung Galaxy S8 and me talking through the Sudotack. Okay, so this is how my voice sounds. I'm about 5 inches away from the microphone, as is suggested in the user's manual. You're supposed to point the Sudotack logo in front of your mouth and then sit 5 inches away. This is my voice when I'm right next to it and or on top of it. So yeah, there's that. And then this is my voice when I'm 10 inches away from it. And then this is my voice of how I would naturally do it, with it sitting on my desk next to my laptop and, just casually speaking. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for you. My opinion is that this microphone is perfect for me and my gaming channel, my commentary and stuff like that. Like I said, you can get this on Amazon for $40. It has about 4.5 stars the last time I checked. I'm going to link it down in the description. Once again, it is called the Sudotack microphone. They have different little sets. You can get one that actually has a stand, but this is the cheapest one that's out there. It's $40. You might even probably be able to find it cheaper on eBay. It's just that I trusted Amazon on this one. But like I said before, I'm going to link it down in the description. And that's going to be it, guys. I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.